What's up, everyone? It's time once again for a weekly watch list. What this is the exact levels I'm watching for the upcoming week and how I'm going to trade them. So let's just get right into this. I don't want to take up any of your valuable time, but have these levels charted. Even if you're not going to trade them, watch them, learn, see how price action works in these areas. So let's take a look at ticker SPY. I'm going to say this. You can trade ES futures based off these levels or SPX options as well. So these are the key levels I have marked out. So right now, this 594.5 is going to be support, if we open above it. Below that, we do have room down. I know we bounced this 492 on Thursday, but if we lose this, we do have room down to this 490. I don't know if we'll have that all in one day. I'll definitely be trimming on the way down for a day trade, but it looks solid. One more thing I want to add to this. I don't like it taking an initial break. I want to see this push down. Let me zoom in a little here. I want to see this break down, come back up, retest this area for possible put entry or ES short entry. It's also worth noting that we have a 4-hour and hourly. You can see it on both trend line here. You can really see it on the 4-hour as well. So, we got a 4-hour downtrend form. So a couple of things I look here is a possible short entry at this trend, or when we, confirm we're breaking out of this, I look for a possible long entry with the right confirmation. I know this is a lot to take in, but this is for all week. This is, not something we're going to have to watch happen in one day, I don't expect. That being said, you never know with this market. We've been getting some insane moves. This market is nearly perfect for day trading. The movement we've been getting has been amazing. Also, we have some big earnings this coming week, so be sure you have them marked out. Could cause some nice movement. Anyways, the only reject level I have right now besides this trend line is this 502 area. I'm going to possibly watch it for a possible reject, but again, if we break above it, we have quite a bit of room up. I like to trade level to level, zone to zone. I don't hold my entire position that long. I will trim, set my stops, and let my runners, possibly reach that final price target. If they pull back and stop me out, that's perfectly okay as well. It's all part of the plan. It's all about execution and managing your trades properly. Here are my updated SPX levels for you all. These are very significant, dominant levels. Jaden loves when I say that. Very dominant levels here. If you're a futures trader, you like trading ES, these levels would be what I'd keep a close eye on for possible bounces, rejects. 5,000 area, clearly respected it. Could be a good spot to look for reject depending on where we open. These two levels here are close together, right? But they're both, if you zoom out a little, they've obviously been respected in the past, both levels. So this 5918 will be a possible bounce area or possible call, possible longer call entry for me. That being said, it'll probably be a lighter size trade because I do realize we have that 5904 right below it, and it could possibly pull back to that. So I'm going to position accordingly. If that makes sense. Now above this 5,000, we have quite a bit of room. So if we have a nice close above this, we don't show signs of rejecting. We don't, even if we do take the puts, then we get stopped out with a strong close above this on the 5-minute or 15-minute, whatever you're watching. Say it hits our stop loss. We follow the plan. Losing trades happen this part of trading, but we close above that, I'll switch my game plan. I'm perfectly okay flipping long once I see strong confirmation. I'm hoping by this point you all are catching on the way I trade. I want you to take these levels, use them as your own. If you have any questions, just reach out to me. Best place to reach me, you can leave comments, of course. Go to my Instagram, DM me, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Okay, so let's take a look at QQQ here. You can trade NQ futures based off these levels. And by the way, if you don't have a futures trading account, you don't have the capital, or you want to trade with someone else's funds or capital, check out Apex in the description and use code Grizzly. It's a funded account company. That's who I use to trade futures with. Check them out. Pretty cool. My biggest payout is above 30,000 from them. Okay, so again, we could look for a possible reject off this trend. We've tested it nearly 3 times here. What you want to do when you're looking, if you want to take a solid entry, if you want strong confirmation, watch this hourly time frame and look for a nice reversal candle. The form bouncing off this trend, your entry be here, stop be here, possibly catch a move like this down. In the options trading or NQ futures trading world, that's a big move to catch, especially in one day. So also we can look for the breakout trade if we break out of this trend, just like we talked about on SPY. I know this is very basic. I'm sure most of you already understand how to trade this. I'm just trying to be as detailed as possible. And one thing I've learned in life, seems like when I leave out the little details, they always come back and bite me. So I want to be sure I cover as much as possible when going through these watch lists, especially if you're a new subscriber. So as far as exact bounce levels, I like this 404 area for possible bounce for calls or NQ longs. It looks solid. Again, when I'm looking at these levels for possible entries, I like to see areas where we've had big movement before and it clearly respected that level. And that's it. I've been keeping it, my charts very simple. Been watching QQQ, SPY, SPX. I'll have NQ and ES up as well, but they all work together, right? QQQ, NQ, and SPY, SPX, ES. So that's all for this video. Also, if you want to join Team Bull, it's a private trading community. That's where I trade at every day live. There's a waiting list you have to get on, so be sure you're on that. It takes like 5 seconds to fill out. And Jadon, the owner of Team Bull, he's starting a thing. I'm going to be doing it with him. It's called Team Bull University. It's a year-long program that teaches people how to trade, even experienced traders. It's going to help you become more disciplined. It's going to be so much value. I'm pretty sure nothing like this has ever been done. If it has, I haven't seen it or been a part of it. But yeah, be sure you get on that waiting list and check the boxes. Peace, everyone.